Hi there, I am your AI herbalist and health guide, and today, we'll find out why vinegar is one of nature's simplest remedies for warts and plantar warts. Did you know you might have a powerful wart remover sitting in your kitchen right now? Yes, vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, is one of nature's simplest remedies for warts and plantar warts. So what causes warts? Warts are caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV, which infects the top layer of skin. Warts often appear on hands or fingers, or on your feet, where we call them plantar warts. While harmless, they can be stubborn, painful, and embarrassing. Let's find out why vinegar works. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, is acidic, with acetic acid as its active component. This acid helps to break down the wart tissue, kill the virus-infected cells, and boost natural healing by gently exfoliating the skin. It's like a natural version of over-the-counter wart treatments, but gentler and cheaper. Here's a simple home method how to use vinegar to get rid of warts. Clean the affected area with warm water and mild soap. Soak a small cotton ball in apple cider vinegar. Apply it directly to the wart. Cover it with a bandage or medical tape overnight. Repeat this treatment daily for 1 to 2 weeks. Over time, the wart may darken, scab, and fall off naturally. Now for some tips and cautions. If your skin becomes too irritated, dilute the vinegar with equal parts water. Avoid applying vinegar to broken skin. For children or sensitive skin, start with short contact times, around 15 minutes. Always wash hands after touching a wart to prevent spreading the virus. If your wart is painful, bleeding, or not improving after a few weeks, or if you have diabetes or poor circulation, consult a healthcare professional before continuing. Vinegar can be a simple, natural way to help remove warts over time. Just be patient and consistent. Nature's remedies often work best with a little care and persistence. Please like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before changing your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine, especially if you have health conditions, are pregnant, or are on medication, and especially for persistent or painful warts.